Hey everyone, this is a Unit 1, Part 3 video study guide, answer key. So here we go. Write an algebraic expression. There are 25 desks in each classroom at Middleton High School. If C represents the number of classrooms at Middleton High School, what algebraic expression shows the total amount of desks? So we have to figure out what C is. Well, right here in the problem it tells us C represents the number of classrooms at Middleton High. So C is the number of classrooms. And then the algebraic expression that tells us the total amount of desks in the school. We know that there are 25 desks in each classroom. And we know that C is the number of classrooms. So if we take 25 and multiply it by whatever C is, we'll know how many classroom desks there are altogether. Then it says to evaluate if there are 30 classrooms at Middleton High School. So we're going to take our 25, C, because we know C is the number of classrooms, and we're going to multiply then 25 times 30. Remember, 25C means 25 times whatever we replace or substitute C with. And so we'll figure this out, 25 times 30. We know that 3 times 25 is 75, and we add a 0 because we're multiplying by 30 instead of 3. And so there are 750 desks at Middleton High School. Martin and Julian collect coins. Julian has 8 more coins than Martin. If C represents the number of coins that Martin has, what algebraic expression shows the total number of coins that Julian has? So what is C? C represents the number of coins that Martin has. So C is the number of coins Martin has. And our problem tells us that Julian has 8 more coins than Martin. So we're going to take Martin's C coins and add 8 to tell us how many Julian has. So if Martin has 24, we'll take our variable of C, the coins that Martin has, and replace it or substitute with the 24 and add 8 to that. And when we add 24 and 8, we get 32. And so if Martin had 24 coins, then Julian would have 32 coins because Julian has 8 more coins than Martin does. Number 3, you have a coupon for $10 off your total grocery bill at Meijer. If B represents your grocery bill, what algebraic expression shows your total bill after your coupon? Well, what does B represent? B represents our grocery bill. So B is the grocery bill. And then the algebraic expression that would represent our total bill after our coupon is that we would take our B, our total bill, and we would subtract the $10 off. So if our grocery bill was $78, if we substituted 78 in for the B, our total bill was 78, and subtracted the 10, we would be paying $68 after our coupon. All right, one more. You are at Pizza Hut with 4 friends, so be careful here. There are 5 people, right? You are there, and you have 4 friends. You and your friends want to split the bill evenly. If B represents your total bill, what algebraic expression shows how much each person will pay? So what does B represent? Our total bill. And if we're splitting the bill between myself and my 4 friends, that's 5 people altogether. So we'll take B, our total bill, and we'll divide that by the 5 people. Evaluate if the bill is $45. So if our bill is $45, how much will each of you pay? Make sure to show your work. We'll take B divided by 5, and we'll substitute the $45 that this problem tells us is our bill, and we'll divide that by 5, and 45 divided by 5 is 9. So each of us would pay $9. All right, that's page 1. Tune into the next video for page 2.